In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Zapier trigger that triggers when users join a group. This will happen if someone is added to a group or if someone adds themselves. Like if they're in the Explore tab of the app and they want to join a public group, it will run this trigger as well. So this can be useful if you have a number of other group admins running other, maybe facilitating other groups, and you want to maybe send them an email or send them a text or trigger something in your CRM. So this will allow you to set that up. So you're going to go into Zapier, make sure that you're on the latest version. You'll see that it's 1.9.0. And so you'll see that, and you'll go over to trigger event. And there's a new trigger here saying that user joined a group. So we'll click on that and we'll go ahead and pick an account. And I will go ahead and run the test. And here you can see that I have 3 records here that I can use to test. And these are just 3 of the most recent people that have joined. So we'll use this as a test. And for this example, I'm just going to put them in a Google Sheet. Of course, you can do anything you want in Zapier here. I'll actually go ahead and do a Slack message so we can see that a little more easily. And once you go in and start setting this up, that you can create specific data to flow through this. You can see all of the information that's coming in. I can see that the user's name here is Lindsay. So I can say Lindsay, joined group or joined, and then I can say the tribe creators group on, and I can put the date even if I want. And I can say, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then if I want to, I can even get the admins of the groups. If you see this, there's a few group admins here. So if I wanted to specifically tag an admin, or if I was sending an email, let's say to the group admin, I could set that up here. I've got the group admin name, I've got the group admin email address, and even their user ID as well. So you can then trigger a Gmail send or some sort of email sending from Zapier directly out to that. So that's another great feature. So I'll just use this for now. And this is something that's going to poll, I think it looks like it's saying every 2 minutes. It's going to check to see if there's new people. And if it's so, then it's going to do the actions below. One thing I'll mention as well is this is a platform wide pool, so it's going to be not group specific. If you did want to create a filter here, you could create a filter that you would want, let's say the, group name should, contain the same thing. Like if it said, tribe creators, for example. So only my tribe creators group members will take this next action. If you want to filter it, that's how I would filter it. If not, it's just going to be kind of all members joining any group on the platform and then sending them a specific message. So if you have any questions, you can email us at help@tribesocial.io or just reach out to us on Slack.